our ship is down. Now, this is some weird black hole we haven't seen, but this is totally not, am I right?
Well, that's just great. What exactly did you do, and how do we get in this situation like this? This is just great.
Well, don't blame me. It was automatically damage control.
Well, now we're gonna have to figure out how to fix our ship because of this. So anyone else got some ideas?
Whoa! This isn't supposed to be what it looks like?
Mamma mia. It's very cold out here.
Yeah, so I think this is the murder drone's world. Year 3071. I think this is what Infinite's planet is going to be up to. With other multiverse. Oh man! So I think is this like before the pilot episode? But where's Uzi in this? Like, is it supposed to be this pilot?
Huh. I see someone over there in the distance. It could be potential.
What?
What the?
What the?
Oh no. I think we've been spotted. This is interesting. Never seen anyone like these. Who are you?
Hi? Are you one of the murder drones?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Mamma mia! Where'd you come from?
I don't like the seeming of this.
As you know, that we're the Disassembly drones, then this is a Copper 9, year 3071, where humans don't exist no more. It is totally crazy, am I right? Look, we're not here to fight, alright? We just need your help, but you're in a grave danger. But our enemy is using the multiverse timeline to change everything.
And how exactly are we supposed to help, exactly? And why should we trust you, exactly? Knowing that we don't know nothing about you. And work on our own mission.
Yeah. I agree. Okie dokie. Alright. This is the part I'm gonna change. And I have created my most wonderful creation I've made. Come, Project Wilks. You look so good. My creation. Now, destroy Copper 9. Wait. Oh? What are they doing here? Oh well, time for supper time. You're up. Now, what do we say we should pay them a visit? Wait, so you're telling us that we know someone who's been helping us all this time? And you could help people from other dimensions you could cross around the world in other centuries?
This is something I never really think that before. Honestly, this just sounds all crazy to talk.
No, it's for real. It's not a crazy talk. It's for real. We're trying to help the good guys from other universes, so we're trying to save you from danger.
Oh, please. We're literally disassembly drones.
Guys? Do you hear a whoosh? Or what's the sound?
Hey, I'm sensing that too.
Oh, hello! Infinite. From the Sonic Forces fandom we heard about.
Mamma mia, not again.
Who's that? Hello, I think it's been a while since I had my nightmare sleep. Thanks to your Sonic's fat furry cat friend of yours, Big, who's been haunting my dreams. That I've been waiting to kill for this moment to destroy the Mario Bros. Meet my newest murder drones project. Project W.I.L.K.S.
He doesn't look all that tough.
Whoa!
Alright, we need to take care of this problem now.
Not so fast. I'm not done explaining. As you all know, this is what I created. I looked up one of Regan Wilks' Autism Production's best friend, JCUX234, drawing note of the project I've waited. I generated with AI for this project. And he looks so cool, am I right? But now, if you excuse me, I have another world I'm gonna hit.
You're going to regret striking me like that.
Whoa. Not a scratch, no pain. And not infected. Come on, Jay, let's help her. Can we help too? No, wait. I think they totally got this. Oh my god!
There's a lot more than I expected to take this thing down.
Oh, looks like you got him. Thanks. Well, I did not know you before, but I think I do after a Evan's Voice video. Well, anyways, let's settle this.
you get trying to mess with us.
That was awesome!
Yeah. I never actually thought you had that in you, and nice work.
What can I say? I'm still a Disassembly drone member. Huh. Well,
I told you we can handle it.
guess we didn't need your help after all, but... Well, anyways... I think you can help us sometimes after we stop our infinite. Well, at least you could remember your memory drives as we remembered. Like, you could remember who's the survivor of the murder drones.
I don't get what you're trying to mean.
We just told you already! Remember? Yeah, the girl who used to say, "Bite me!" and she turned into a crazy murder drone to kill other drones.
The company did say that worker drones were corrupted. So you really think a corrupted drone would somehow be able to stop everything?
Wait, is it true? Like, you figured it all out? Well, clearly, we're using a time machine travelers from the past. That how the corruption works, like drone virus, like stuff like that. But yeah, like it happens to your Earth, not our Earth.
I definitely remember a whole lot about Earth.
Yeah, and the human races, you know, before robots, the war, the virus, and corruptions. Why humans doesn't exist no more.
What about the company, though?
What company?
You know, the J.C. Jensen that we were sent to Copper 9 for? The reason why we're doing all this?
Oh yeah! Right, that we have to repair our ship before we start the invasion.
I like your attitude.
Well, it's nice knowing you from the previous century. Well, I don't know what year you're from, like your beard, so we're just gotta get back to our ship and repair it, or more corruptions we should attack. But anyways, we're just gonna go now. Huh. They got a point. This is where before Uzi shows up, and yeah.
Should we also be heading back?
Yeah.
Doesn't it say they have toxic snowstorms here?
Oh yeah. We should get out of here quickly before Infinite's corrupted more timelines.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's explain it to Sonic. So, you have destroyed my project, as you see, Well, my dear Watson, time to hit the next timeline is the Has-Been Hotel.